You know, working outside, some of the best things. We all should be doing that because we spend a lot of time outside. We're made from the soil, we're made from the elements of the air, the sun, all that stuff. You know, your skin. You know, I just finished pushing it. It's 9 a.m. here in Puerto Rico. I'm from York, Pennsylvania, so it's 8 a.m. over there. I just checked the weather. It's currently 83 degrees with a high 86, but it says it feels like 90. So when I'm in the shade now, but down there's no shade. That's why I was just cutting grass. Your skin is the biggest outer organ on you. You know, it's not the biggest. It's the biggest organ on the outside of you. There's other organs inside of you. Cells make tissue. Tissue makes organ. You're made of trillions of cells. Each individual cell is its own entity, has its own nervous system, its own ectron system. Basically, every single thing that the human body has, every system to run it, each individual little tiny cell has every single thing that the human body has, and these things combine to make tissue and make organs, and their own entities. They communicate. They've got their own jobs. They need their own nutrients, which glucose, which you get from fruits, is their natural energy to run and work very, very well. We are supposed to have beautiful skin. I wear nothing for the last couple years, but coconut oil or aloe. Those to me are like the best things you can put on your skin, and you can ingest those things also, and they clean you up. They kill parasites and bacteria and all that. You have beautiful skin, man. The problem is some people probably don't spend enough time outside. You know, breaking a nice little sweat. You know, working outside. There's your jungle gym right there. You don't need to go to a gym if you're constantly outside and being very active. If you're eating the proper living the proper lifestyle, which is also involves eating some proper foods, I encourage people eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. It's all plant life. All fruits are and vegetables are is slang for plant vegetation life. So are herbs. You know, herbs are leaves, and fruits are the flower of the plant. You know what I mean? Anything that comes from a seed and comes from a flower and has seeds is a fruit. So there's a lot of green fruits out there that we call vegetables. Vegetables are only part of the plant: the stem, the stalk, the leaf. You know what I mean? That's all slang. The word vegetables wasn't created until the 1700s. It's plant life, guys. We are here. The plant life is in abundance in this realm, and it's here for us to take care of and to consume when we need it, and to keep us nourished. The soil, the sun nourishes us. It feeds you. It adds energy. It feeds you. You touch the hand with your feet, with your butt, with your bare hands. It's a magnetic field. It's electrical. It adds electrons and free radicals out of you. It regulates every organ in your body. The sun gives you energy. It's like you're a walking solar panel, a walking battery. You know, there was a sun right there just now, shining. See it? Great skin. Toxins release out of your skin. The less clothes we wear and the more we are in warm climates, the more our skin can breathe and release those toxins that don't belong in the body. The more that your skin can be charged up and you can feel energized. Why you think maybe if you live a lifestyle that's constantly in the cold or cold a lot, or you constantly work inside a building surrounded by artificial light and artificial air, by around computers, outlets, plugs, lights, all that stuff is unnatural. That stuff is not healthy for you. People that work in hospitals, people that work in office buildings, surrounded by so much equipment. So, and on top of that, if you have a very unhealthy lifestyle, if you're not exercising, you're not active, or you're eating crap, living foods, the foods that come from the soil, back to that plant life. Every mineral in the soil is inside the human body. You're made from what the soil is made from what the air is made from. I tell you this, guys, all the time. So this video is to let you know you're supposed to have great skin, man. Great skin. Look at that. I don't get sunburned. I was at the beach the other day for like 2 or 3 hours. I'm out here all day in the sun. I wear the sun hat, just to help block the sun out a little bit while I'm cutting, protect any stuff that's flying, so those safety glasses, just, in case you get a rock, safety issues. No sunburn. No sunburn. I love getting the sun. I love being around the sun. I feel the most alive when I am out here. When it is spring and summertime and I'm in warm tropical climate, That's when I am most alive, most energetic. When I head back to the States and I'm in the cold, I can't stand it. I feel down and out. I'm moody. I got mood swings, straight up, because I'm not getting the proper nutrients that my body desires. So I follow my inner self, and I vow that when I go back home next month, I will be in the dead of winter. But I vow that this is the last winter that this human avatar of me feels. Because my avatar belongs in a tropical region, in a warm climate. And you do too. Try it out. Research grounding. Research soil and dirt are two different things. Research why are two different things. What dirt is and what soil is. And then research the human body, the elements and what's in the soil and what's in the body. You'll find out everything is in the soil is in the human body. Research what grounding is and why it's so important for the human body to touch the ground as much as possible. Research cells, what cells are and how you're made of them. Bruce Lipton on YouTube is a cell biologist. He's probably the best out there. All right, peace.